Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can start simulating ESP in Proteus 8. So in order to add the ESP library, all you have to do is to check the video that I made and follow the steps. Now for simulating, all we have to do is to go here and search for the ESP32 board. So this is the one, W room. And to add it, then we are going to add the LED and the resistor. The LED is here, LED red. So this is the one, and the resistor is this one. And for the terminals, for the ground, it is this one. So we are going to set this in 220 ohms. Now for the coding parts, this is our code. We choose the Arduino Uno board. So we choose it here, board managers, Arduino Uno. Then we save our file. We are going to save it as a new one, tutorial. So this is our file. We are going to save it. Now we are going to compile to verify. Then we are going to export compiled binary. And we are all done. So now we are going to double click and choose our file. It is this one. Build the first folder and this one, and we are all set. As you can see, please don't forget to follow, to like and subscribe. Also check my websites. Thank you.